Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your GCash to PayPal. There is no direct method, but I will provide you a solution by which you can transfer your money from GCash to PayPal. So first of all, I don't have GCash, but I can tell you what to do. Open your GCash application, and what you have to do is withdraw the money from GCash to your bank account. Okay, the first step is withdraw your money from your GCash to your bank account. Once you're done, then what you have to do is open your PayPal. For example, I will open my PayPal app, and then what you have to do is go to your wallet, and what you have to do is click on Add Bank and Cards. And then you have to select bank, and after that you have to connect the same bank account that is connected to your GCash. Once the bank has been added to your PayPal account, then what you have to do is withdraw the amount of money from that bank to your PayPal balance. And that's how we have indirectly transferred money from our GCash to our PayPal account with the help of single bank account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.